can't push the door open all the way around to secure it with the straps. And these ramps won't stay put. I'd like to get the mower in here, but the wind is so strong that it moves the left ramp to the right, and the track isn't wide enough to get the mower in. Okay, that's my cue to get out of here, I think. Jesus fucking Christ. That was rather loud. I should have had my welding goggles on maybe.